Today I'm going to demonstrate the single leg Romanian deadlift and give you some tips and tools so that you can get started with this exercise. So to start, we're going to grab a stick or a piece of PVC pipe. Today I'm going to demonstrate the single leg Romanian deadlift. I'm going to start by showing you this exercise with a PVC pipe so that you can use proper technique and then transfer that technique to the exercise with a weight. We're going to start with the stick or PVC pipe on your foot. From here, you're placing one arm out to the side for balance, and you're going to do a single leg hip hinge. The other leg is going to push back behind you. Think about keeping your hips square and your foot and knee and hip all facing the floor on the traveling leg. You want to keep your focal point about 8 feet in front of you, and you also want to make sure that your chin is neutral, your spine is neutral, and your shoulders are back. Start by pushing the hip back and drawing a T position with your leg. Pull through and repeat. Doing that drill, you should feel a stretch in the hamstring and glute on the working side. Once you feel stable with that drill, you can now transition to doing the exercise without a weight, but without your stick as well. Pretend you have a weight in the working arm. Pull your shoulder blade back and down. Perform the same drill, keeping your left arm close to your body as the left leg pushes back into that T position to draw that T shape with your body. Once again, you should feel a stretch in the hamstring and glute on the working side. Make sure that your hip, knee, and foot on the traveling leg are all facing the floor. That will help you keep your body square and in alignment. Once you've mastered that, you can add a weight to the working side. Think about shoulder blade back and down, hips squared, and draw that T with your body. And that's how you perform the single leg RDL. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment, share, and make sure to subscribe to the channel for more content. Thanks so much.